Hello, my name is Muhammad Yunus. I am an electrical engineer. I have 15 year of experience in fire protection field, and today I am explaining and presenting the topic related to NFPA 101. So let's start. NFPA 101. So let's start topic number 1, means of egress. Means of egress. What is means of egress? What is the meaning of means of egress? Means of egress is a continue and unobstructed path of travel from any point of in any building or structure to the public way, and it is provide a safe route to the occupant to evacuate the building or structure during any emergency. Let's explain. I will explain to you. For example, we have this building, and this is the road. For example, road, and we have doors here, and here office building. This is office area. So from this office area, for example, I am sitting here, and this is exit door, and this is stairs, stair enclosure. From this point to the door, to the staircase enclosure or any door, it's called, from this point to this point to this door is called exit access. It is called exit access. We have a 3 component of means of egress. One is exit access, second is exit, third is exit discharge. So let's explain one by one. What is exit access? From this building, from any point of the building, from any point of sitting. For example, I am sitting here, somebody is working here, somebody is working here. So from this point to the exit door, from this point to the exit enclosure is called exit access. It's called exit access. It is begin from any point of origin to the exit enclosure, exit or entrance of the exit, like corridor, like any room, like my office area, SL occupant to approach to any exit. Okay, this is exit access. So let's explain number 2. What is exit? What is exit? Exit means like that is exit mean that is separated by fire resistance rated construction or providing protected travel path to the exit discharge. For example, we have a enclosed staircase, we have a horizontal exit, we have exterior door, fire doors. So I will explain here what is exit. Exit means this is a stair enclosure. We will come from this point to here is called exit access. From this point to the discharge, to the fire door. From this point to this point is called exit access. From this door, this exit enclosure, this portion is called exit when we leave the building. Okay, next point is exit discharge. What is exit discharge? Third component, exit discharge. What is exit discharge? Exit discharge means it is included like exterior door, balcony, court, exit passageway that lead to outside, that leads to from exit door, from exit enclosure to the public way, to the public way. For example, this is the road, this is called public way. For example, public way, this is all public way. So from this is exit, this is exit. From this point to the public way, this area is called, this area to the exit discharge is called exit discharge. So this is the generally means of egress definition, type of component of means of egress. Let's start. Topic number 2 is given by NFPA is business occupancy. Business occupancy, new business occupancy or existing is not mentioned here. Business occupancy. So in business occupancy, what the meaning of means of egress in general condition. What the type of general conditions in means of egress in business occupancy, in new business occupancy, in existing business occupancy. So what the meaning of egress? I already described. Is the continuous and obstructed path to from any point of building to the safe for in case of emergency. So all of means of egress in business occupancy shall be according to the chapter number 38 and chapter number 39 and also chapter number 7 have to follow means of egress. For example, we will explain in general business occupancy. So how, for example, we have this building, okay, and this is street level, same street level, and this is building, floor 1, floor 2, floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, for example. So in general, if street level are above or below the finished ground level, street level is above, this is ground level, for example, of any building, ground level, this one. So street level is above or below the ground level of the building, street level up or down from the level. So what we will do, we have to follow differences, like we have to call upper floor or lower floor based on the street level according to the ground level. Okay, if we are using stairs or ramp, we are using, if this stair or ramp are serving two or more floor above the street floor in the business occupancy shall be permitted. If this ramp have fallen two or more than two in the business occupancy, it is permitted, but we have some condition, two conditions. For example, one condition is that if two or more floor above or below the street floor in the occupied business occupancy, the same stair or ramp shall be used as a means of egress. So this type of stair, for example, we have this stairs here in this building, and so we will use this stair or ramp as a means of egress if this have serving two or more floor below a street level floor in occupied business occupancy. Second is in any inside open stairway, any open escalator means it is in existing occupancy, or any inside open ramp shall be permitted to serve the occupant as a means of egress from more than one floor level from the street, more than one floor of the street. Third condition is that, next condition, if floor level are below the street level, if this floor level, ground floor level is below the street level, we have this, for example, street level, so this is below, ground floor is below the street level, are used only for storage, heating or other service equipments, and are not subjected for business occupancy, shall have a means of egress according to the this chapter, according to the this code. Okay, next is if we are using like bathtubs, we are using bathtub with shower combination and shower. So grab walls means we have this bathtub. So grab wall is the supporting steel type of supporting, any type of supporting. So this bathtub and combination of shower and bathtub shall be provided as per according to NFPA 101. But if this bathtub and shower combination used for the display, so this is not applicable. Next task, I have another task. What is in the provided diagram? What is exit, what is exit discharge, what is exit access. So in the given diagram, this is the given diagram. For example, what is the exit here? So exit access here and exit discharge. In exit access, I already explained, from any point, I am sitting to the exit enclosure, to the exit door is called exit access. And what the meaning of exit? Exit means this is staircase we are using to go out. This door, this exit staircase is called exit. Now what is exit discharge? What is exit discharge? Exit discharge means from this point, this area is called exit discharge. We are going to the public way, so this is called exit discharge. But in the highlight, there is a highlight portion in the scenario given by the NFPA. This is the highlight portion. This is highlight portion, and this area also highlight, staircase. This highlight, NFPA asking me for what is this? This is exit access or exit discharge in this highlighted portion. So I already explained to you what is exit discharge and exit. So but in this highlighted portion, this is exit because this is protected component. So it is enclosed staircase, and this is in the plan, this is called exit. So as per given by the NFPA, this is staircase, this highlighted portion, this highlight portion is exit. So this is my answer. Next topic given by NFPA, they say that only explain floor number 2 in the manufacturing building, group 1 occupancy, group 1. So let's start in the manufacturing building, floor number 2. The task is in the given task, there is a office area, manufacturing building. Here this the manufacturing, this is office area, but they are not, they are saying only explain manufacturing building. This is manufacturing building. Okay, so this is manufacturing building. In this building we have here stairs, here, and around I have 4 stairs. One stairs is here, this is corridor, this is lab and others area. We have staircase here, we have staircase here, we have 4 staircase. I think there is a staircase here. Okay, this is corridor, this is area, protected lab and other things. So they are asking me in this manufacturing building, floor number 2, in the floor number 2, what is exit discharge in the highlighted portion, So what is the highlighted portion? In the highlighted portion, this is highlighted portion, this is stairs. So they are asking me what is this? What is this? So according to NFPA 101 and my understanding, this number 1, exit 2, 3, for example, there are 4 stairs in the floor number 2. So according to me, this is exit. We are using this from floor number 2. For example, we are sitting here in any lab or any area here. So from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, this is called exit access. This is when exit access is finished, we have exit staircase enclosure. This is protected area. So when we are using this is called exit, and we are going from this floor number 2 to floor number 1, and floor number 1 we are going to exit discharge to the public area. So my answer is this is exit. Now another topic is what is compartmentation. and fire barrier. What is compartmentation and what is fire barrier? Compartmentation: any building or structure occupied or used for any type of occupancy is required minimum construction requirement based on the occupancy classification and construction classification. Construction classification shall be based on NFPA 220. What is compartmentation? Compartmentation is the key feature. Designed to limit the spread of fire, to restrict the smoke movement within the building. For example, we have this building, we have compartmentation, these rooms. So this is called compartmentation. Because fire in this room, it will restrict to go to another room, adjacent room, and smoke will not flow from this room if we have a compartmentation. This is called compartmentation. Fire compartmentation is a subdivision of any building into the smaller area. Like this is the building, this is the subdivision in the building. So this is called fire compartmentation. Why we use fire compartmentation? To stop the spread of fire and restrict the smoke movement. What the purpose of this? To limit the fire spread, restrict the movement. This is the open area. What is fire barrier now? What is fire barrier? Fire barrier is a continuous vertical or horizontal fire resistance rated wall assembly that is designed to restrict the spread of fire. Because it is fire barrier. The main component to achieve the fire component, this is classified based on the minimum fire resistance rating. This is like 3 hours, 2 hours fire resistance rating, 1 hour fire resistance rating. This is divided fire barrier classification. Fire barrier classification is the common rating is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. I already explained based on the occupancy and construction requirement like concrete, masonry, gypsum board, and that type of material. Function: what is the function? To restrict the fire from one point to another, from one portion to another portion. What is the fire barrier? In fire barrier, what type of horizontal continuity? Horizontal continuity is fire barrier shell continuous horizontal. They extend from one exterior wall to another exterior wall, one fire barrier to another fire barrier, or the combination. Like this building, we say that from one exterior wall to another exterior wall. This is one exterior wall, this is another exterior. This is called horizontal fire barrier. Or we can say from one fire barrier to another fire. This is fire barrier. For example, 2 hour fire barrier. This is 1 hour fire barrier. So one fire barrier to another fire barrier. It's called one fire. Or the combination, here to here. This is exterior wall and this is fire barrier from side. So this is the combination. Why? If it is broken or anything happen in this, there is any opening, so the fire or smoke will travel from one point to another point. It will be protected by it will be tested fire resistant joint as per the ASTM E1966 or UL 2079. So this is continuously penetration, all the concealed space area shall be closed. This is horizontal from one. This is horizontal. We have fire. This is corridor. So this is called horizontal fire barrier. Horizontal. What is horizontal? This is called horizontal continuity. Now I will explaining to you vertical continuity. This okay. Now vertical continuity. What is vertical continuity? Here Vertical continuity. Vertical continuity is same like horizontal continuity, but this is horizontal and this one is vertical. For example, we have a shaft, long shaft is going from first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. This is vertical continuity for fire barrier, from one fire barrier to another fire barrier, or exterior wall to exterior wall. Fire barrier extended vertically from the floor slab. This is floor slab, this is ground floor. From floor slab to the floor or roof. For example, this is the roof, so from floor to roof. This is called vertical continuity. Why? All the penetration, if we have here any penetration, shall be closed, otherwise this continuity fire will spread from one point to another point, from one point to another point. So I explained to you already what is vertical continuity here. This is vertical continuity. So next point is task given by NFPA. There is a one building. They are asking this, in this building the highlighted portion is from fire barrier to fire barrier, or exterior wall to exterior wall, or the combination. So here this is the type, I don't remember exactly, but there is a room, there is a shaft, and so as per my understanding, this is in the provided plan as per NFPA. Highlighted red line present the fire barrier continuity. This is provided, this is fire barrier continuity, maintaining the protection from wall, exit, shaft and hazardous area. There is a hazardous area, there is a wall from exterior to interior wall. So this is in the highlighted portion, it's showing fire barrier continuity. Fire barrier continuity. Next topic is fire barrier classification. How many type of fire barrier classification? I already explained to you fire barrier classification: 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. Fire barrier classification based on the occupancy classification and construction requirement, and this fire barrier shall be tested as per ASTM E119 or UL 263. I think 263. This shall be tested. So as per fire barrier classification, NFPA gave me one task. There is a actually I don't remember the building occupancy, but I will explain. There is a 3 room here, and there is a exit stairs here, exit stairs, and there is a vertical shaft here, and this is showing 2 hour and 1 hour vertical shaft. This red color is showing shaft is 2 hour fire resistance rating, and the corridor, this is corridor area, this corridor area is showing 1 hour fire resistance rating, and this is showing 2 hour fire resistance rating. And also this is 2 hour fire resistance rating. This one 2 hour fire resistance rating. This is 1 hour fire resistance rating. So this is fire barrier as per the requirement of the classification of the occupancy requirement or construction rating. So that's it from my side for the given by the NFPA. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you.